What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer, and I am ashamed to say that we are back for another installment of cleaning my room. So here's what my room looks like right now. We all get it at this point. I'm a messy person. I'm embarrassed. Okay, like, I'm just embarrassed. It's 2020. Still don't have my life together. Still have a messy room. Okay, actually, this is my excuse. So I generally am a pretty messy person. Like, I can't lie at this point. But there are many times where I've wanted to clean my room, but I'm like, oh, I gotta film a video for it. So then I wait until I have time to clean my room in one kind of sitting, and that never really ends up happening. So then my room gets messier and messier, and I just feel grosser and grosser. But anyway, I said, basically, Jennifer, clean your room. That's it. I'm excited to finally see the floor again. Literally, like, trash, like, it looks like garbage. Like, let's just get started. I think I'm stalling. Before we get started, here's my outfit for cleaning. It's a chic little number from the school I dropped out of, and some neon blue pants or shorts. I think the fumes from the grossness of my room are affecting my brain. I'm also sweating profusely because it's summer. Let's get started. Hi, it's bad, I know. As you can see, this is disgusting. We've already been over this, but I have a lot of clothes. That's the majority of what makes my room messy. Because I do a lot of like fashion-y videos on my channel, it just like ends up all over the floor because I like try on a bunch of different clothes and I have to like wear different stuff for different videos. So, oh my god. Glistening like Edward Cullen over here. Anyway, I also have this online store where I list a bunch of clothes that I want to get rid of, so I'll link that down below if you guys want to check out any of the clothes. They'll be clean when you actually get them, but I literally have too many clothes. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean the floor, put the dirty stuff in the laundry. I mean, pretty much everything's dirty at this point, so everything's gonna go in the laundry. But let's do it. Oh my god, so much sweat. Hello, a little update. I'm heavily perspirating and I have been hanging up my clothes in my closet, the ones that are confirmed clean. And did I mention that I'm sweating? It's spooky time. Well, no, it's not. It's the next day and it's nighttime. I actually did laundry. Wow, I did laundry. Can we get a round of applause for that? What I'm trying to say is it's 3 a.m. and my brain is not functioning properly, so like words are like not gonna be like concise and like, you know. I have to put my bed sheets back on my bed. That's the clearest sentence that I can make, so I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Let's do it. Alright guys, I did my bed. I mean, yeah, whatever. I'm about to go to sleep. See you tomorrow. Hello! It is another day and I am wearing pants. Don't worry, not gonna flash you today. Not for free. No, not at all. So, I'm continuing cleaning my room. Because that's the video. Most of my clothes are in the laundry or they're like hanging to dry, but I have some recycling that I have to take care of, and then I just have to like put more stuff in my closet that I took out, and that is the update. Just a whole lot of clothes basically. Let's do it. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her.
Hey guys, it is another day. I am now gonna move on to my desk area because I've been cleaning the floor for a while. So here's my desk. It's so messy. It's just filled with papers, trash, stationery, and I have a bunch of phone cases. Speaking of phone cases, this video is sponsored by Casetify. That's either the worst transition I've ever done or the best transition I've ever done. So if you've never heard of Casetify before, they're a really cool tech accessory brand that sells unique and really protective phone cases, AirPod cases, watch bands, and stuff like that. This is the phone case that I have on my phone right now. So cute. And I also have these 3 other cases. This one that's neon sand. And I literally could watch this for hours. Like, it's so satisfying to watch. So this is one of the custom cases that I did. It says hooligan on it. And then another custom case that I did was this biodegradable one. I had it customized saying Gen Z.
And there's so many options on their site for different custom cases that you can make.
I also got this case that's like a crystal ball and it also has the sand inside. They have like thousands of really, really cool designs. Their cases also have military grade drop protection, which means you can drop it from more than 6 feet and it'll be completely fine because it has this 2-layer Chi-Tech situation going on, and I'll demonstrate it for you guys. Alright, it's really messy in the background because I'm filming a music video currently, but here's my phone case. Nothing's cracked. We're all good. You know, screen's working. Alright, a little bit above my head and drop it. Alright. Let's check it. In all honesty, this is actually the second time I'm having to drop it because the first clip was messed up. So you can see it's held up through 2 6-feet drops. We're fine. It's completely working. No cracks, nothing. We're all good. Nice. Casetify also has collaborations with a bunch of different designers like Lisa Frank, Coca-Cola, Sarah Jessica Parker, Rolling Stones, and Vêtements. Shout out to my 5-year high school French education for teaching me how to say vêtements. But anyway, I love these phone cases so much. And if you would like to get one for yourself, you can go to casetify.com/GenerationDIY for 20% off of your new favorite phone case. All right, now I'm gonna continue cleaning up my desk, organizing these phone cases, throwing out trash. Let's get clean.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this outer smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my.
Hello. So I have a lot of my laundry clean and ready to put back into the closet here. A lot of it I have already hung up in my main closet, but I'm gonna put this away.
That's another secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO. Gossip Girl.
Trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that Louis V scarf or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to
Okay, so I also have a bunch of clothes back here. You can't tell, but there's a lot, and they're kind of back there from my last closet clean out video. I meant to list them all on my online shop where I sell my clothes. I never ended up doing it, so currently loading the clothes into a box so that I can bring them into my office to take pictures of them so that I can put them up on the shop. The sweat level has, oh, bless you, Jeremy. The sweat level has significantly increased throughout the video, so that's amazing.
Say you'll be back soon. Tut, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze, fuel teenage ground. Running from pub to club like bloodhounds. From 10 till 6 a.m. And no one knows how to stop them. Hold the drinks out one and help the one who's gone. Tut, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly. Girly.
The room is complete. Let's take a look at a before and after.
With a hangover till 10 p.m. I'll say I'll never go again. Tut, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly.
So clearly my room is livable now. You can see the floor, it's much cleaner. It's not like completely pristine, but I vacuumed, I did the whole thing, it's livable. I think it looks great. Who knows how long this room will stay this clean, but at some point I feel like I do need to do a deep cleaning just to make sure that the room actually stays clean so that I have stuff for like organization spaces for everything so that it doesn't get so cluttered and just to make cleaning easier. But for now, I think it's good. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me 50% cleaning, 50% sweating. If you like this video, make sure to like it, not just emotionally. I literally haven't said that in like years. Shout out of the week is right here, and I will see you guys next time, hopefully with not another room cleaning video. Bye!